Hey everyone, Sylvia here and welcome all to my AI Images Blowout review. So here we have the sales page to this product. As you can see, you'll get a chance to get a coupon of $5 discount. All you need to do, and by the way, you will find a link to the sales page below my review in the description box. So it will not pop up straight away, but I'm just letting you know if you want, take advantage of this $5 off. Why not, right? You just need to sort of hover over the sales page and pretend you want to exit it, and then the pop-up will come up. All right. So Nelson Long is the vendor. Good guy, good vendor, good guy. I don't know him personally, but a good vendor for sure. I'll show you the funnel, guys. The front end will be $22.70 minus the $5, so you're gonna get it for around what, 17-18 bucks, right? Okay, what you're getting here, and by the way, it's just gone live today on the 18th of January at 9 a.m. New York time. Well, it's already live, right? Here is my bonuses, mind-blowing. I'm gonna talk about them a bit later. Now here is the members area, and I'm gonna really cut it to the point. All right, yeah, I just called myself out, right, on having the tendency to get carried away. I know, but hey, this is me. Well, there's not much to talk about this product. I mean, the value is insane, guys. You're getting here in the front end alone 100,000 AI images. Okay, and here is the members area. So it's gonna be delivered, as on Google Drive, right? And images in all kinds of categories. What categories? You will find out all about it, okay, from the sales page. So let me see if I can show you here. So he says here, introducing the largest collection of AI generated art, AI generated images, comes with unrestricted use rights. So it's not PLR rights. Please be aware of that, especially that Nelson Long is very well known for his PLR product, but this is unrestricted use rights, which means you can use them with no copyrights issues, right, for your own projects and your clients' projects as well, because it does come with commercial rights, so you can use it for your clients, but you cannot redistribute them, you cannot resell them and stuff like that. So as you go down the sales page at the end, okay, there's more information about the product. So as you can see, and examples of the images you get. So as you can see, like abstract and experimental art, stunning images, and well, because they were AI generated, obviously they're going to be unique, beautiful womans. Can you say womans? Or for the women was the plural, but hey ho, maybe it's the new English. And about food and digital marketing, fantasy, galaxy, hacking, medical, nature, social media. So by all means, it's the amazing for your social media accounts for Instagram, Facebook, and all of that, right? So for blogs, for your websites, and for all kinds of, I guess, design, graphic design, that's what I meant. Now, do familiarize yourself, guys, with the use rights license. So as soon as this doc disappears, I'll tell you something very important. So you cannot resell, redistribute, or transfer these images to any third party. So that's important. It's not PLR rights. Okay, and as I said, amazing bonuses who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review, guys. The first bonus I'll give you is, most of these courses come with MRR, which is Master Reseller Rights, not to be mistaken with PLR, which is Personal License Rights. The difference is with personal license rights, you can resell them. You can change them up, you can customize them. Okay, with master reseller rights, the only thing you can and with PLR obviously you can resell them too, but with master reseller rights you can only resell them, but without changing or customizing the product. Okay, so I've got 4 amazing bonuses, and they're full-blown training courses, guys, or ebook, or in the form of an ebook. I'm gonna show you some of them. So the first one is a list building on a budget. It's an ebook, amazing ebook. Second one is SEO, so that's search engine optimization, domination strategies and tips, also how to rank well. Okay. The third one is 6 free traffic methods video series pack. It's a video training course. And the fourth one is social media master course video series pack, so it's also a video training course. And as you can see, this one here, the third one is actually a PLR, so also it comes with PLR rights, and there's some additional training courses, amazing ones on, you know, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. These are actually by my personal mentor, okay, Tim Michaels, the guy that has been so helpful to me, a real deal guy and all of that, real deal, and I mean it. So let me show you some of the bonuses that I give you. See, for example, the list building one, okay, so which is an ebook, and you have here all of the, you know, the graphics, the articles, email swipes, and all of that to actually promote this product, to sell this product, okay. And the ebook looks like this. It's in PDF, and that's just bonus number 1. You see, it's 47 pages long, guys. List building on a budget, right? Here is the table of content. So all to do with email marketing and how to do it, you know, effectively, how to do it properly on a budget. All sorts of links that you will, for the tools you will need. And maybe I'll show you another bonus I have for you as well. Let me just go back and open up the next one. So maybe the social media masterclass, was it? So that's the training guide, and here is the training course. So you see, you have here, guys, 15 videos, all to do with, on how to crush it with social media. So you will be able to access my bonuses via, I'm actually showing it on the screen where you will find them. So from inside of your Warrior Plus account, you will go to purchase history, and then you will go to, as you can see on the screen, to affiliate bonuses. Okay, right, and there will be some upsells here as well. So the front end, as I said, $18 minus the, you know, almost 23 minus the $5 discount, so it comes down to 18, just under. Now there will be an inline offer, like a bump sale on the front end for $10 almost. Then OTO number 1 is the AI Images Blowout Ultimate for 47, so I assume way more. Maybe perhaps some videos and stuff like that. Go through the sales pages to each of the upsells. And then there will be an inline offer of $10, and there will be a light version to the OTO number 1 for 37 as well. But from then on, from motivational video combo all the way down to the memberships here, will be some of the previous Nelson's products. Okay, so yeah, check them out and see what you need. Right, guys, so that was my AI Images Blowout review, and you will find a link to the sales page below my review in the description box. Okay, love you and leave you, and very, very soon I'll see you again.